The David family resided in a comfortable home on Maple Street in the busy city of Riverside. Mr. and Mrs. David, their three kids, Lisa, James, and Jennifer, as well as their cuddly cat Whiskers, made up the family. The David home was a flurry of activity every morning as everyone prepared for the day. While Mr. David assisted the children with their school bags, Mrs. David would make breakfast. The oldest, Jennifer, took responsibility for making sure her younger siblings were prepared on time. The middle child, James, was vivacious and never stopped entertaining everyone with his pranks and quips. With her contagious laughter and insatiable curiosity, Lisa, the youngest, was the life of the party. The Davids made it a point to spend time together on the weekends, even with their hectic schedules. They would enjoy movie evenings at home with homemade popcorn, go to the local museum, or have picnics in the park. The family made the decision to hike Pine Ridge Trail one Saturday morning. Anticipating a day of outdoor exploration, they packed fruit, sandwiches, and lots of water. As they loaded the car, their inquisitive cat Whiskers observed from the window. As they followed the track farther into the forest, the family laughed and chatted as the trip began without incident. Jennifer led the way while keeping Lisa's hand to prevent her from tripping over any rocks or roots. Eager to see every inch of the forest, James skipped forward. Mrs. David educated the kids about the wonders of nature by pointing out various creatures and plants while they strolled. With a map in hand, Mr. David led the way and made sure they stayed on course. Abruptly, thunder boomed in the distance as heavy clouds came in. In an attempt to get to a shelter before the rain began to pour, the family accelerated their speed. However, a rain soaked them as the sky opened up before they could seek cover. The Davids huddled under a big tree, attempting to stay dry as there was nowhere to hide. James acted like a superhero while Lisa laughed as rainwater splashed on her nose, protecting his loved ones from the storm. Jennifer comforted her brothers by putting her arms around them while lightning streaked over the sky. The rain eventually stopped after what seemed like us and the family came out from beneath the tree, soaking but unhurt. Squeezing across muddy pathways and giggling at their mishap, they resumed their journey. As they eventually arrived at the trail's end, the sun emerged from the clouds, bathing the surrounding area in a golden radiance. The Davids marveled at the stunning view of the valley below as they stood on the edge of a cliff. The David family felt closer than ever as they traveled home. Despite the difficulties they encountered, their love and solidarity carried them through. If this story inspired you like this video, share the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll be with you every step of the way. Let's do this together.